Hey kids, this is Mrs. J. Today we're going to look at just a simple introduction to Onshape, a CAD modeling program. You should take a look at this after you've created your own account, or you can come back and watch it twice. This is Onshape, onshape.com. You have to create your own account, and I'll give you that in a separate lesson. Once you have signed into Onshape, you will see your name in the top right corner, verifying that it's your own account. I will add you to my class later. For now, look for your name. Come over on the left side, and this is where you'll see all of your choices to look at your folders. And in the center here, when it's new, it'll be blank, and as you use it, it will populate with current files and current folders. So I would like for you to go to create a folder for this class. Top left corner, click create, create folder. Call the folder IED. Now you have a folder to use for your class. If you double click it and open it, you can create another folder. We're going to call this one Practice. Hit create. Each time we create a new project, we'll make a new folder inside IED, and we will use that to separate our projects. When you're on the home page, you will see your part files coming across here, your drawing shapes or drawing worksheets, that's your multi-view, coming across here, and you'll see your folders. Next, we'll take a look at an overview of Onshape. You'll find that it's similar if you've used any in the past, Autodesk Inventor, Autodesk Fusion 360, or SketchUp, but it also has some differences. So if you can click on your IED folder, click on your Practice folder, and now we want to click on Create Document. We're going to call this one Practice 1. I think I spelled it wrong. And then click OK. A document in Onshape is a place where you can make parts, assemblies, drawings, and more. I want you to think of a document as an assignment or a project that's made up of multiple parts, and everything's going to come together. Once you create the document, you'll be in the main page of the Parts Studio tab down on the bottom. If nothing loads at first, click Reload. There'll be an error message coming across here, and just hit Reload. It'll say your document is not connected. Just reload. It'll run you through a tutorial. Feel free to work your way through this and learn the parts of this document. After it loads, you'll notice that the geometry is set up for you to see the top, the front, and the right side views of what you're about to create. You'll see it over here on the view cube, top, front, and right side views, along with the geometry coordinate system that you'll see in your math class. The z-axis, the x-axis, and the y-axis, which is hidden behind the cube there. If you come over to the left side, you'll see them as well. Top, front, and right side views, similar to the multi-view sheets we've worked on in class. Next to each view name on the left side, you'll notice there's an I for top, front, and right side view. If you wish to hide a view, you simply click on the I, and it will hide the view. See how the pane was removed? And then you can click on it again to put it back. I would like to look at the front view. So I'm going to hide the top, hide the right. Below this is your parts area. As you start to build and create your model, this will populate showing you the steps that you've taken. It will show you the steps that you've taken to create your model in the order that you took the steps, so in the order that they're made. Very similar to the Autodesk Inventor browser. Onshape also has a view cube in the top right corner here, and you can use the view cube to rotate your object and get different ways to look at the view of your object. If you come over here, you have options for your view cube by dropping down. Right now it's shaded. Whenever you complete an object, it would be standard to place it in the isometric view before turning it in. There are a few toolbars to use in Onshape. The first two we're going to focus on are the 2D sketch toolbars and the 3D model features toolbar. And this ends our introduction to Onshape. In the next video, we'll walk through how to make a 2D sketch and then turn that into a 3D model. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your Onshape time.